Most mortgage brokers want to rank on Google, but they approach it in completely the wrong way. They think about the hacks, the keywords, and they're hoping that website designer just handles all the SEO. But ranking on Google isn't magic, okay? It is a method. Google rewards brokers who answer very real questions, who publish consistently, who build trust with the audience they're trying to speak to, and who show expertise around being a mortgage advisor. And more importantly, though, and this is one that people miss all the time, is that create content that humans actually want to read. Now, the good news of this is that if you follow a structured approach, ranking is far more easier than most people are going to make you believe. So let's break down exactly how mortgage brokers can rank on Google right now. So number one is rank by answering the questions people are actually searching for. See, Google's entire job is to connect questions to answers. So if you want to rank, your content needs to directly solve the problem your clients are already typing in the search bar. Now, this means writing blogs around the following things like how much money could I borrow? What deposits do I need for a mortgage? Do I need a mortgage broker in general? Is a fixed or tracker better right now? You see, those type of things. And again, within your niche, that's just basic ideas. You have to dive deep into that. But Google is going to reward clarity, not cleverness. So to make your blogs rank higher, make sure you include question-based titles, clear short paragraphs, headings formatted as a question, direct answers within the first 1 to 2 sentences, examples of simple explanations, and internal links to related blogs. You see, Google wants content that solves the problem fast. Write like a teacher, not like a marketer. The second thing is to rank by publishing consistent, high quality blogs. Now, most mortgage brokers don't rank because they post 1 or 2 blogs and they just give up, okay? But Google doesn't trust websites that publish rarely. It favors the websites that behave like real information sources. The easiest way to prove this, by the way, is by writing consistent blogs. Consistent blogging shows Google that you are active, that you are credible, that you are producing new information, that you are relevant to the topic, okay? And that you are a reliable source of advice for your clients. And this is why daily or weekly content is going to compound. Google starts indexing, ranking, and recommending your articles across thousands of searches. You see, consistency builds authority, and authority is going to build those rankings. The third thing is rank by targeting local search. So your customers don't search mortgage broker, they search mortgage broker in Cambridge, or mortgage broker near me, or help with mortgages Cambridge. By the way, I live in Cambridge, so in case you know, local SEO is where most brokers win because national SEO is far more competitive. But you can improve your local rankings quite easily by adding your city or area in page titles, by creating location-based service pages, listing your business in Google Business Profile, getting local Google reviews. That one's mega, like it's huge. Embedding a map on your website and writing local content. For example, things like how to buy in Cambridge. You see, Google pushes local businesses to local users. So if you want more inbound calls, start with local SEO. The fourth thing is rank by building strong Google business profiles. For many brokers, this is the biggest difference maker. Your Google business profile is often going to outrank your website in a lot of cases. See, the top ranking Google business profiles normally have regular reviews, photos and updates, accurate information, service descriptions, local keywords, and frequent posts. Think of your profile like a second homepage. If you ignore it, you're going to lose free leads. But if you nurture it, you can become the default broker that people find first. The fifth thing is rank by embedding YouTube videos into your blogs. See, Google owns YouTube. So when you embed your YouTube videos into your blog posts, a few things happen. People are going to stay on your page longer. Google sees higher engagement time, and engagement time is one of the strongest SEO signals. Embedding video helps you rank because it shows Google your content is helpful, that it is engaging to the audience. It's worth keeping people on the platform. When they stay, they actually like it. You see, you get SEO from the written article and the video at the same time. It's a double whammy. The sixth thing is rank by using internal linking correctly. So internal links are incredibly powerful and criminally underused. See, most mortgage brokers have blogs scattered across their website with no structure, and Google has no idea how the articles relate, so nothing ranks properly. But internal links, they fix that. You see, proper internal links helps Google understand the hierarchy of your content, okay? What that means is like the relationships between those topics, which pages are most important from that. And to improve rankings with this, you just need to instantly add links between related blogs, a recommended reading section at the end of each article, links to service pages from blog posts, and links to lead magnets where relevant. You're not gaming Google, by the way, here. You're just helping understand your expertise. The seventh thing is rank by becoming the most helpful broker in your niche. You see, Google's algorithm is increasingly simple. Help people better than anybody else. And that is it. That's it. There's nothing else to do. If your content genuinely answers questions, simplifies the mortgage process, and removes stress from your audience, Google is going to notice. You win by writing like a human, explaining complex ideas simply, publishing consistently, showing expertise through stories and examples, making your content visually clear and easy to digest, and focusing on your niche. So first-time buyer, self-employed, buy-to-let, whatever you choose. You see, the authority then will compound. And once you become the broker that Google trusts, everything will change. Because then what's going to start happening is you're going to start generating leads. But what is the fastest way to generate leads as a mortgage broker? How do you get cheap, fast leads? Well, I unpack that in this video on screen right now. Give it a click.